In this video, Ottsix Wizard hasn't even got a body on it yet, but we're going to take this thing for a drive to see just how it does. Built per the original instructions. Let's just see how it goes. Hey, that's balancing nicely. Good weight distribution. We'll be able to pull back down. Oh, that's impressive. There we go. Get that tire and it held it. Wow. We're hitting on that rear axle again. Oh. Wow, I don't think I've ever had a truck go up that before, especially not that easy. Womp womp. First drive of the chassis, so how did it do? So I'll be honest, I had really high hopes for this thing and it pretty much pulled through. So yes, granted, we don't have a body on it yet. That extra weight right there is going to make it a little bit worse. But it went over some obstacles, like these obstacles, these first rocks that we saw here in the video. No other truck really does that. So I've tested a ton of different vehicles out here on all these different surfaces. It's the first one to have ever done it. But you know, we do have to consider the overall price for it though. This is a very expensive truck as a kit. Yes, it has some really, really nice parts on it. But I think for a lot of people, depending on the type of crawling you want to do, you can get away with some of the cheaper options. But if you want a, you know, easy to assemble, straight out of the box, super capable truck, I think this might be the one. If you have any questions about this, I have another video where I've already actually gone through a whole series of tips and tricks for when you're trying to assemble this truck, because there are some finicky things to it as you go through the instructions. If you want to see that, that'll be popping up in a playlist over here to your right for everything with this wizard truck, and I hope to see you in one of those videos. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.